And this is my outfit I decided to wear for this video. Hope you guys like it. Hi YouTube, I'm back 9 months later, and my last video I made was about the TDDI eye contact video, and it did so much better than I thought. It has like 3,000 views, so thank you so much. Today I'm gonna do a video about my daily makeup routine. So I usually do my makeup in 5 to 15 minutes. I will show you guys my 5-minute version, and then I'll show you my 15-minute version in the same video. But you know, you guys want some extra sleep. You don't have to like do up your makeup every day and spend an hour. You can only do your makeup in 5 minutes, and I'll show you what I do. Enjoy. We're gonna start off with my 5-minute way, and then I will upgrade to 15 minutes. So, lights, that was late. Lights, camera, action. I start off with blush. Now this is the hard part, and I gotta choose which blush I want. I think I'm gonna go with 3CE Style Nanda in the shade Maybe, and this is a Korean brand, and most of my makeup is Korean brand because it's so good, and I just like love the colors of it. I don't know, look at this like really unique looking glowy peach shade. I need better lighting, but this is what we got for now. Alright, so I take my blush, and then I take a blush brush. This is like Pony Effect blush brush. And then I just like, you know, dip it in like this. Maybe get some of the excess off. And then just put it on your cheeks like this. For some reason, like everyone's face shape is different, but I just like that like little cute innocent look. So I do like straight across. Gonna dig in here a little more. I'll do like some on my nose. So yeah, all you need is blush. Just blush and highlight. Just accentuate your natural beauty. For highlight, I use Fenty Beauty in Mojito and Sandcastle combo. I'm like really new at this. But I don't use like this like minty shade. I use this. As you can see, I hit the pan already. And just dip in there. Just like lightly. And just add your highlight. Good. Good. Nice. I take my finger now. And then I do my inner corner of the eye. And then I do underneath my eye here. So you guys can just see it really good. Under my brow bone as well. And then I do tip of my nose here. And then the bridge of my nose. You can just see the glow, natural glow. Sometimes I also add it here. On like the Cupid's bow on your lip. To finish off this glowy look, I add lipstick. The lip liner I use is this MAC. It's almost done. In the shade Whirl. Yeah, I personally feel more confident like lining my lips. As you can see, it just adds like an extra oomph to my lips. Okay. And now this is the hard part. Again, I have to pick my lipstick I want to use for this video because every day I kind of change it. I'm gonna do, actually, you know what? I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna do some like interesting, like bright coral colors. So first, like do any chapstick. Just to hydrate those lips. And then I'm gonna add, there's this amazing shade called Marmalade by Lime Crime, a lip plushie. I'm gonna tag all these products in the description. This color is really interesting. It changes all the time. It's weird. So let's see what it looks like now. So it changes your mood. We're gonna top it off with some lip gloss. Oh, guys, I gotta show you what lip gloss it is. Flaming Cherry Lime Crime Lip Gloss. This is like a really interesting, bright, like neon coral color. It's awesome. I really like coral shades. And we're gonna top it off. Okay, just a little bit like here. Alright. So I'm gonna come into some natural lighting over here and show you guys. So this is my 5-minute get ready, just like pretty much blush, highlighter, and lipstick, and that's it. If we have a little bit more time, if we have 10 extra minutes, so I'm gonna do my brows and eyes next. So sit tight. We are back with some brows. So the first thing I do when I do my eyebrows is brush that up. Brush it. I'm not gonna say the word, but brush it up. This brush is Anastasia's, it's like a, what do you call this? I don't really know, like a flat concealer brush, I guess you can call it. The product I'm using is Kat Von D's, what do you even call this? Super Brow in the shade Blonde. The brush I'm using is Kat Von D's, how do you do this? Like I'm like new to this. But here, just dip it in really light, really light. And then watch here. And then you're gonna draw the outline of your eyebrow. Don't fill it in yet, just draw the line, the shape that you want. And you can, I start at the end like this, and then I go over here, and then I go up here, and then slowly, like, you just get the shape you like, and then fill it in once you get that shape. And then I fill it in like here, go up a little bit. Also, guys, like, make sure after you're done using your eyebrow brush, like, you clean it. Like, every time you should clean. Like, you don't have to do an intense clean, but at least wipe it off on a paper towel. Because, like, it helps your brushes, like, stay healthy, pretty much. Okay, one brow's done. I'm gonna do my other brow. So once you're happy with the shape of your brow, you can move on to concealer. The concealer that I like to use is Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, yeah. And the shade I use is Light. This is amazing for cut creases. This is just amazing. And just line your brow. This is like my favorite part of brows. Is it like a really sharpens? I like a sharp brow personally. And then you're just gonna like drag down that product onto your lid so that your eyeshadow, when you do your eyeshadow, it sticks better. Sharp. Then I come up here and I do top of it. It's important, this area, like the front, like make it really boxy. I think it looks good. But I also forgot to mention, when you do your brows here, do not add a lot of product make it as like light as you can. Just because like if you add a lot of product to the beginning of your brow here, it looks like you have like Sharpie brows. We don't want Sharpie brows. I finished my brows. Now on for eyeliner. I mean, eyeshadow. I don't know why I'm doing this. We're moving on to eyeshadow. So, as you can see, I've showed so much love to this baby. It's Nature Republic. Another Korean brand. It's written in Korean, so like I don't read Korean, so I don't know what it says. One day, I want to learn Korean. One day I'll know what this says. But number 43. I don't think they make this anymore. They discontinued it. But it is pretty much a brown pink shade. So what I do is I take a fluffy brush, and this is once again Pony Effects brush. I just bought her whole set, and like 5 of them are missing. So I just like, I don't know, dip it in what you think. Do that, that's always fun to do. And just like put this all over your eye. It's like a nice, natural look. All over that eye wall. And then I'm gonna take a brush called a C brush, Pony again. Just dip it in a little bit. Go under my eye here. Connect it to what you blended on the top of your eye. So we're gonna move on to the second part of eyeshadow. This is the new Nature Republic models. And this is like a pink champagne color, my favorite. And this is 05. If you guys go to the one in K-Town, you can find this. For this part, I just dip in my finger lightly. There's the payoff. Center the eye and down. And like dab it on. And I dab it like this. Blend it lightly. Then I put it in the corner of my eye just like we did earlier, but I'm just like going over it. Clean that up a little bit. Eyebrow again, because we covered up that glow with the concealer. And we're done with eyeshadow. Moving on to liner. The eyeliner I use is Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Jet. So what I do, I have like weird angles. I like literally hold it like this. And then I stretch out my eye a little bit. And then I do that. And then I do this. And then I do that. So pretty much I draw an outline of the liner and then I color it in. And this way, my friends, I rarely mess up my liner doing it this way. Or whatever, we're just gonna settle with this. So now, for the mascara. Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm telling you guys, this shit's better than sex for sure. And I naturally have very long lashes. So when I add this, they're very incredible. See that? See this product? It's freaking insane. Isn't it? Don't forget lower lash line too, if you want. Sometimes I miss it. Recently, I've been very lightly adding it. Like I just do it like so quick. Like that. There we go, we pretty much finished. But yeah, this is like the finished look.
You are the